guys, welcome to yet another video with me, Rian. I'm very happy to be doing this video today because I've started this new series on luxury products that are actually worth it. So every month I'm going to pick a few luxury products that I own and which I think are actually worth the investment. So let's start. November picks are really fun. Starting with this fragrance. Okay, so I got this fragrance recently. This is from the house of Zegna in Italy, and guys, why have I picked this fragrance? I have not really picked any other fragrance because this is not really any other fragrance that you can just buy at duty free or whatever. This is the from the Essence. It's like a kind of a more premium line of Zegna. So Zegna has their luxury fragrances, and then they have these which are above that. So they are slightly more expensive. I've got the Sicilian Mandarin, which smells absolutely amazing. So it's all about the ingredients, and as the ingredients suggest, Sicilian Mandarin inside, so it smells very citrusy and nice. I put the price tag right here. Yes, definitely I would say that if you invest in a fragrance that is super luxury rather than your everyday designer fragrances, maybe this is something that you'd like to consider. My second luxury pick for the month is an Estee Lauder grooming product. Now guys, the Estee Lauder products are not cheap. So this is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex. So last month I spoke about the ANR Night Serum, which I really liked, and this one is an excellent product, and hence I decided to showcase it. So most of us suffer from a dark circles issue. So I've tried a lot of dark circle creams and this has really helped me. I put on just a little amount under the eyes. Check out my video on how to apply under eye cream. Great texture, no smell. It really works. I mean, after a couple of days of use, I actually reduced and I actually noticed that there was less puffiness and reduced dark circles. So if you're in the mood to spend on an under eye cream, definitely this one's worth it. So guys, I can't have a luxury picks without showing a watch because you know how much I love my watches, and IWC is one of my favorite brands. I've been following their work for years, ever since I was a teenager. So this one on my wrist is a rare IWC. So personally, I'm a fan of the navy blue dial IWC, the more classic ones. I've got my hands on a rare edition, which is a green and gold. So this is the Portuguese chronograph, and as you can see, it is really stunning and elegant. So this green and gold color pattern is really nice. In a steel case, I love the leather bracelet, and of course there's an indicator for days and seconds. This limited edition is priced at about 6 or 6.5 lakhs according to what I checked on the IWC website earlier today. So certainly if you're looking to invest in a watch that is a rare piece and that can really kind of give you this sense of classic elegance, this one is my pick for the month. Guys, you know how much I love my sneakers, and I usually get my collection from all the regular sneaker sports brands, but this time I decided to indulge and spoil myself with a little more expensive sneaker. So I picked up this one from Emporio Armani. Okay, so these are the new EA7s from Emporio Armani, and they came at about 20,000. Why do I like them so much? Because they've got a really sporty vibe. I mean, I can actually wear them with say a jacket or something formal, and I love the color. It's got this very cool retro vibe. So I'm not super huge on large branding, so I still feel that the EA7 logo right here is pretty understated. There is just some little metallic details in here, and then they've got this nice mesh kind of vibe on here. So EA7 definitely my pick for November, and of course right here we've got the logo in a very nice kind of embossed on the rubber and super comfortable. And I decided to save the best for last. So this is what I've got for the festive season. So the Glenfiddich Single Malt 18-year edition in this nice dabba. So I'm going to show you. This is what it looks. This is at about 16,000 bucks for this bottle. So better enjoy it when you're drinking it. It's a very nice single malt. The story is really interesting. So the guys who are in charge of making this single malt throughout the process of the 18-year aging are constantly monitoring the wooden casks or barrels that they are put in to ensure that the oak is of such good quality and the oak is kind of maintained at such good conditions so that the kind of infuses it with that flavor and aroma, and that's the drink that you enjoy after a whole 18-year process of aging. So definitely if you want to celebrate and drink something expensive, this is my pick for you guys. I hope that you're having a good festive season. Thank you very much for joining me on this video. Lux picks that are actually worth it for November. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell me what you like. Tell me what comments you have. I'd love to respond to you. In the meanwhile, watch out for some really cool lifestyle videos on my channel.